In 2020, we all suffered profound levels of disruption and disconnection. But data reveals that Gen Z took the hardest hit. Data shows that Gen Z are more emotionally oriented outward. But in 2020, their need to connect was stifled by a global lockdown. Their collaboration scores decreased by 14%. And their level of community connectedness dropped 15%. The loss of connection was worsened by school closures. Globally, over 1.6 billion children were affected by school closures. COVID-19 school closures have led to adverse mental health outcomes, especially for girls. The pandemic's effects are accelerating turmoil. But pre-pandemic, youth around the globe were already suffering. More than 1 in 7 adolescents live with brain illness. Suicide is the second leading cause of death for youth globally. Loneliness is a key factor in suicide. In the US, youth anxiety increased 50% from 2003 to 2012 and doubled during the pandemic. Now, mental health conditions are worsening. 9.7% of youth in the US currently suffer from major depression. And depression levels are increasing, especially for girls. Do Gen Z have the emotional tools they need? The learnable skills of emotional intelligence help young people navigate emotional challenges. Social emotional learning helps build protective factors by strengthening emotional skills. But new data shows Gen Z struggles with key skills for emotional resilience. Rising emotional complexity make EQ skills more important than ever. It's time for EQ. How can we support the well-being of future generations? Let's share the tools and teachings of emotional intelligence with those who need it most. Visit 6sec.org/time to share the importance of emotional intelligence. Subscribe for more emotional intelligence tips, and thank you for watching.